How to add Google Tag in your Google Ads. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go on over on ads.google.com and then proceed with logging into your preferred account. But once you're there, I want you to go on over to the tools and settings icon or the wrench icon on the top right corner of your screens to enter your settings. Now under measurement, I want you to tap on the conversions. If you haven't already, go ahead and create a conversions action first. But once you're done with that, I want you to proceed with setting up your conversion. I want you to choose install the tag yourself. Now, Google will give you two parts, the global site tag and also the event snippet. Now, where should you put these tags and snippets? Well, I want you to go ahead and copy the global tag and paste it between the head and head tags of every page of your site. So you do need to go ahead and enter the CMS of your site if you are on WordPress or Google Tag Manager as well if you prefer that. And then for the event snippet, I want you to go ahead and copy this one as well and then paste it right before the closing of the body tag on your conversion confirmation page. Once you're done with that, that is how you basically just add Google tags on your Google Ads. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and take care.